Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your personal account to professional account for Pinterest application. So without any delay, let's start the video. First go to your Pinterest app. Now click on your profile icon on bottom right here, click here. And all you have to do is click those three dots on top of your right, click here. And you have to go to settings, click here. All you have to do is click account management here, and you can see the option convert to business account. Click here and click convert accounts. You can see the option add your profile name. Click next, add your profile name. I'm going to add mine here and click next. If you have any website, you can give that to website URL here, but I'm just going to skip this one. I'm just going to click no website yet. You can see the option describe your business. You can select any option that you like. I'm going to select creator, influence and public figure here and click next. You can see the option if you want to run ads on Pinterest. I'm going to click yes. I am interested in running advertisement and click next. Next. Click next. And your profile has been converted to business profile. As you can see, your profile has been converted to business profile. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you on next one.